Hey guys, what's up? David and Nora from Pandaily over here. We're going to do a little recap of 2018 for you guys.
With the help from Pandata, we compiled a list of who we think are the most successful Chinese tech companies that went global in 2018.
They're not ranked in any order, and let's dive right in.
Even if you're not a smartphone enthusiast, you've probably heard of Oppo. They're a consumer electronics and mobile company known for their smartphones. The iconic smartphone that they released in 2018 undoubtedly is the futuristic flagship Oppo Find X, an innovative way to use a motorized module to house the cameras. It allowed the phone to achieve the incredible 93.8% screen-to-body ratio, which was unprecedented for manufacturers at the time. Find X can be described as a trendsetter for the industry. And after it was released, other manufacturers started to explore the idea of mechanical sliders to hide the camera module as well. Oppo's innovative endeavors definitely impacted the industry greatly with Find X's release.
Coming up is one of my favorite smartphone companies, OnePlus. OnePlus's iconic flagship device of 2018 is definitely the OnePlus 6T that was unveiled in New York. They established a cooperation with T-Mobile to allow more American consumers to buy their products and spread brand awareness. This is a great achievement for Chinese smartphone companies because of the ongoing trade war at the time. Other Chinese companies came close to breaking into the American market as well, but ultimately faced rejection. However, OnePlus made it. They didn't settle and they broke through.
If you've ever gone laptop hunting, then you definitely know Lenovo. Lenovo began primarily as a laptop manufacturer, but have migrated to smartphones since 2012. Its iconic 2018 smartphone is the Lenovo Z5 Pro, a powerful budget phone priced at around $285. To support its full-screen display, it revisited the good old sliding mechanism we're so used to, but in a newer rendition this time, placing the front camera on the slider. Now, the upgraded version of the Z5 Pro, the GT855, was the first smartphone in 2018 to be using Qualcomm's Snapdragon 855. Not bad, Lenovo. Not bad.
Well, the Novo part of Lenovo really means new in Latin. You know what else is new and upcoming? VIPKid. VIPKid has emerged to become the largest online English education platform in China. It pairs up Chinese students with foreign teachers for quality online English classes. VIPKid established a cooperation with HMH last year to provide more personalized English courses for students. The company founder Cindy Mi says that Chinese students will be on the same page as American students in terms of English education. Now that's impressive.
Even if you've never heard of VIPKid, it's alright. You've definitely heard of Alibaba and its e-commerce platforms such as Taobao, Lazada, and Tmall. Through all of these platforms, Alibaba has generated a total transaction volume of over $30.7 billion during this year's Double 11 shopping festival. The orders placed were from over 230 different countries and raised the sales volume by 27% compared to last year. Whoa.
While Alibaba certainly had a great time compared to other companies, 2018 has been a rough year for Huawei, but it still managed to persevere through the hardships. Its most popular product, released this year, is definitely the Mate 20 Pro. It comes with a massive 4,000 mAh battery, 3 Leica cameras, and its own Kirin 980 chipset.
Rough year or not, at least Huawei is well known. You may not have heard of Myboy, but chances are you've heard of the very popular TicWatch. No? Well, anyway, Myboy is an AI company that developed Chinese voice recognition. They designed their own Android-based smartwatch OS called TicWear and released the first TicWatch back in 2014. The TicWatch was an instant favorite among smartwatch enthusiasts.
Well, you know what else is an instant favorite? TikTok. You might not know their parent company ByteDance, but you definitely know the short video app. TikTok has become the newest craze among young adults to share short videos online. It's so popular that it has a monthly active user count of over 500 million globally. The Tonight Show host Jimmy Fallon even started a challenge on TikTok, bringing fans across the US to upload videos on it. Isn't that awesome?
Well, I mean, not as awesome as flying cameras. If you're into the photography scene, then you might own 1 or 2 DJI drones. DJI is widely known for making powerful and stable drones for aerial photography and videography. They released many drone devices this year, such as the Mavic 2 Pro Zoom and Enterprise. In November, it released a powerful lipstick-sized camera called Osmo Pocket that takes 4K videos and 60 FPS on the go.
Lipstick size? Well, it's weird. Anyway, if you're a tech enthusiast, then you definitely know Xiaomi for their consumer electronics, smart home devices, and smartphones. Now, what's most impressive is that the company filed for an IPO in May of 2018 on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and became the world's largest IPO since 2014. Now that's impressive, ain't that right?
Yeah, Xiaomi's really bringing it this year.